Okay, now we're going to put a long span workbench together. The simple part, we'll start with the bottom level. As well as that, just give it a tap with the mallet. And we'll repeat the process around the back. Now we'll put the board level in. Now we'll just grab our board. We'll just go over the top. And we'll just make sure we have our retainers back on. That's it, bottom level done. Okay, now we're going to put our top beam in. Now note we've pre-drilled these holes already and we have cut a level top. Just grab the mallet. Just do the back level. Just knock that down. Now we'll grab our top board, which is 25 mils thick. And we'll just make sure we've got that square. Now let's grab our wood tex. Now we're going to fix our top beam in first. Just with a metal tech. Just like that. There's a little hole on the side of the bracket that you see. And you just drill through that. Now we'll just double check to make our top board is where we want it. Now I find the easiest way is to drill the front first. And then we'll move on to the back. So because we pre-drilled the beams, the holes in the beams, we just have to go underneath like this. And that's the front done. Now just move to the back. And just double check to make sure it's all level and square. Okay, now we're going to show you how to put a workbench with a backboard together. Now first of all we'll put the top board on. And just note we have notched out the top of the back of the board for you. And it just sits in between your frames like that. Now it's just a matter of fixing the board in again. Now we've pre-drilled the holes in the beams, so we have to fix from underneath again. Go around the back and fix the back of the board. Okay, now we'll put the beams in for the backboard. And just note, this one has an offset lug. And we'll just grab our mallet, make sure we hit it down again. And put the very top one in. And just note, the lug's been cut off for this one, the offset lug has been even. And we'll just put it back down back with the mallet. Okay, now we're going to put the backboard up. And just note that we have actually already attached a melamine strip to the backboard beams. Now it's just a matter of flipping your backboard up. And just make sure it's nice and level at the ends. Good down your end? Yep. No worries. Next procedure is just to pre-drill your hole. Make sure you line up the beam. Okay, make sure your mate's holding it. Now let's go to wingtip. And we just fix the board to the back of the beam. Just like that. Okay, so now I've pre-drilled all my holes. I'm just going to go around and put all my wingticks in.